Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will talk about preposition of time in, on, at. Preposition is difficult to understand. Sometimes, we get a little bit confused how to use them correctly. The example, BTS concert is blah 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 December. What is the answer? Which preposition is correctly to that center? And the answer is BTS concert is in December. And in this video, we will talk detail about preposition of time. Well, let's check this video. What is preposition? Preposition is small word placed before a noun or pronoun. Preposisi adalah sebuah kata yang terletak sebelum noun atau pronoun. The example, I was born in April. In adalah preposisinya dan untuk April adalah noun. Next, we go to Bali on Sunday. On preposition and Sunday noun. Why we use in for April and why we use on for Sunday? Let's check detail. Preposition of time. Common preposition of time include in, on, at. They are used to help indicate when something happens, or will be happen. Nah, preposisi ini menunjukkan sesuatu yang sudah terjadi, biasa terjadi, atau yang akan terjadi. Remember, in, on, at have similar meaning, but they are used with different time. Ya, in, on, at sebenarnya mempunyai arti yang sama, tetapi berbeda dalam penggunaannya. In is used before a large unit of time. Jadi, in digunakan untuk waktu yang luas atau yang lebih lama. In itu period of time. In plus year. In 2021, in 1991, and etc. The example in the sentence, she was born in 1995. In plus month. In July, in April, in March, and etc. Example in the sentence, we always go to New York in March. We use in because March is month. And next, my birthday is in December. In plus time period. In 6 hours, in 2 years, in 5 minutes. In also can use to explain something happen in the future. The example in the sentence, I will be ready in 5 minutes. It means I will be ready in 5 minutes from now. Next, the meeting starts in 10 minutes. It means the meeting starts 10 minutes from now. Nah, in digunakan untuk menunjukkan kejadian waktu yang akan terjadi. On is used before middle-sized unit of time. For days, date, and specific holiday days, use the preposition on. On digunakan untuk ukuran waktu yang sedang, seperti pada hari, tanggal, dan hari libur spesial itu menggunakan preposisi on. On Tuesday. We go to New York on Monday. He doesn't work on Sundays. On plus date. BTS concert is on December 27th. The exam is on 15th March. Remember, for date, use ordinal number. At used in specific of time before number clock of time. Example in sentence, I get up at 5 o'clock. Preposition of time at digunakan sebelum angka pada jam. At also used in holiday period. At plus holiday period. The example, Grandma visit us at Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving masuk dalam holiday period. Holiday period contohnya Christmas, Thanksgiving, and etc. Idiomatic phrases. Idiomatic phrases such as in the morning, at noon, at night must be learned individually like vocabulary. Nah, idiomatic phrases itu adalah sebuah frasa yang harus dihafalkan secara terpisah. Kalau morning harus menggunakan in the morning. Night harus at night. Noon juga harus at noon. Dan harus dihafalkan secara terpisah. Let's review. Nadia was born in 1995 in December on Sunday at 7 o'clock. In this case, the preposition have similar meaning, but they are used with different time. Nah, preposisinya mempunyai arti yang sama, tetapi digunakan dalam waktu yang berbeda. In digunakan untuk tahun dan bulan, sedangkan on hari, dan at digunakan untuk preposisi jam. Thank you for watching this video. See you again on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.